Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Living Life Within a Budget. Today I went to Urban Planet and I got a lot of clothes for only $30. Do you want to see what I got? I also got a few things from Dollarama that I'm going to throw in here too. Let's go. Hey guys, so I have a little bit of a different haul today. I went to Urban Planet. Now their bag says Forever 21. I think they merged or something. But I like their new bags. They're yellow. I spent $31.17. And I wanted to show you what I got because these were amazing deals. And I got a few people that I needed to get a shirt for. So first we have for one of my boys. And they really like the muscle tank tops. I got this for $3. And make sure when you're getting like from the discount at Urban Planet that you go like a size up. Because I find at Urban Planet usually they shrink a little bit if they're on the discount racks. But if you go a size up, then they actually end up being perfect for them. So that's what I did with everything here. And then this is another tank top for my other boy. It says, "Don't push my buttons." They're both gamer boys, so they'll like those. And again, $3. And then these two here, it was a sale, 2 shirts for $15. And they're regularly $20 each. But this one's going to be for my husband. And it's got gremlins on it. I thought that was a very nice, cool t-shirt. And we don't have anything gremlins, so he's going to be happy with that. And then next one I got here, again, retails for $20. And this one's going to be for one of my sons. He really likes Naruto, so for it being a 2 for $15 sale, I had to catch it. And then I got one more sweater here, which... Okay, so this sweater was only $7, but it retails for $40. And I got this as a present as well, to go along with the Kush Boy t-shirt, because his girlfriend. And it's got the Playboy bunny symbol there, and it's a really nice knitted cardigan. And I always check everything in the store and make sure that there's no tears on anything or loose strings, because sometimes that's why they put them on the clearance rack. But you have to be very careful of that. So I always check while I'm in the store and get the best quality in the right size and everything. So then we don't run into problems and complications. So that whole haul, we have 5 different items there. I only paid $31. That's pretty amazing. Now this store was also like an outlet, Urban Planet. So they had a lot of things like under $5 racks and stuff like that. Not every Urban Planet's going to be like that. But this specific one was like an outlet store. So they had things a lot cheaper. Okay, and next I went to the Dollarama. And you guys may have seen in my last video that I did get the snake. And I found the dinosaur to go with for my older son. And this one was $5. And then I found some stocking stuffers. I will be doing a big stocking stuffer haul in the next few weeks, so make sure that you look out for that. But I did get 2 things to get us started. And they're just candy canes with Hershey's Kisses inside. I believe these were $2.50 each. And next thing I have here is going to be for my stepdaughter. She has been really into coloring and painting and every kind of art thing she can do. So I thought this would be amazing because she also loves animals. But it's a color by number animal book. And it's all You color by number. Like, she's gonna really like that. You see there's a puppy, I think. These are really cool. I'm gonna have to get her a set of pencil crayons that are all of the natural colors that you can see at the top. Oh, and they have the actual pictures of how they should be colored in the back. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's amazing. So I'm gonna have to give her some more coloring crayons for the natural colors that are all on the top there, but she's going to adore that. I also got a sketchbook, but I've already wrapped it. It's about the same size as this, but it's got 142 pages, and it's like pink and purple celestial to go along with it. Oh, and this was $3.75. Not bad at all. Okay, and next item is kind of more of a practical item, but my kids really wanted a new plate set that had sections for their food. And the dollar store started to carry these, and I got 2 of the similar ones. They both love Grogu. And it comes with the bowl, the plate, the fork, the spoon, and the cup. And this was $5. And then I got the second one here, because I figured if they both love Grogu, might as well go with Grogu. And they both come with the same thing, the 5 pieces. And they were both $5. And I thought that those were an amazing thing, just to have a bigger gift under the tree. So yeah, there's my small haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever been to Urban Planet and spent $30 on 5 shirts, because it's blowing my mind. Let me know if you go to the dollar store. Let me know if you shop for Christmas presents at the dollar store, because nobody's judging you, because I'm not. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. We are trying to get to 100 subscribers by February. We're almost halfway there. You guys are doing really great. So make sure you're clicking that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I put out another video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.